It was all about being creative, saving money, and getting exactly what we wanted. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Hacked by Banks. I am Sasha. As the intro suggests, today we're going to be looking at how we spruce up our primary suite. Also give you little tips on what you can do to spruce up your primary suite without breaking the bank. I'll give you a tour of our space and tell you all about some of the awesome things that we found both locally and on Amazon. Now guys, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment below to let us know exactly what you think. There are a few little DIYs in this room, and there are a few things that we upcycled and repurposed to fit what we needed in this space. At the end of the day, it was all about being creative, saving money, and getting exactly what we wanted in our primary suites. Before we jump into the goody and all of the fun stuff that we did, the niceness, let me just walk you through what this room looked like before we started the fix up. Alright guys, so this is what our primary suite currently looks like. We did have a ceiling fan in here, but I didn't like it at all. It was not my taste, and so we took it down with the intention of replacing it, but we have not replaced it as yet. So we're using a standing fan for now. We have a queen bed in here which fits pretty well, and we actually have two side tables. One is here and one is over on this side. And I have a little, never mind the fan guys, it's dirty, but that's what you get in raw footage. I have a bookshelf right here with some books that Royal keeps tearing down, but need to fix that up. And of course this is the Hacked by Banks studio, but I want to put back my side table, and so we need probably smaller chairs for this section. We'll see how that goes. And I want a new rug, a bigger rug, because there's only that now, and the ceiling fan. We do have a chest, even though we have a walk-in closet. The TV is on this side, and ideally I would want to put a floating console here and then a vanity with a long mirror from probably here all the way down to the ground. In this area, we're not doing this now, so we'll be working on this section. So we'll be hanging the side lamps, putting back the bedside table, moving out the couch, putting my desk in here, and yeah, I'm waiting on Rory and we'll jump right on it. This mirror is dirty, but yeah, hey. Now you see what we were working with. I mean, it's not bad, but it needed a little bit of cozy, a little bit of comfort, a little cool and calming, and so that's why we decided to fix it up. So because this is a reveal, or what you call it, a room tour video, then it's only right for us to do a recap of all of the projects that brought us to this point right here. These are the rods that we have in our room now, and I'm not looking to purchase any new rods. I'm going to be reusing them because the windows are pretty wide. One of them is 8 feet and the other is 4, so I'm going to be reusing these rods. The only problem that I have with them is they're a little old, and so the sheen on them is low, which makes it hard to move the curtain over the actual rod. So I'm going to be doing a little DIY project, and I'm going to be spraying them with this spray paint. It's a clear gloss for when you actually do spray paint jobs, but I'm going to try and spray it and see if that improves the usability of it. So this is the old one and this is the new one, and you can actually tell already that there's a difference in the sheen. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish spraying the second and let them dry out a bit. Right, so these curtains are pretty cool because you can hang them 3 different ways. You can hang them from the regular tab, or you can fold it over to get a tab back look so that it looks like drapes, and I think you can hang them in here after you fold it over as well. So I'm folding it, buttoning it, and then I'm going to put the rod in here so I have a tab back look and it will look a little bit more like drapes. So we are finally on that home stretch. Time for me fix up the place and make it look nice and cozy. Yeah, this is the part I've been looking forward to for a while. So you know, I just can't wait, and this is going to be so satisfying, seeing all the pieces come together, seeing how it was in my head, and hopefully I can replicate what is in my head into the room. So let's go, guys. It's time to get to work. Come on. Alright guys, so to give the bed that cozy, comfortable look, I am adding a few layers of not just sheet, but I'm adding a mattress protector. Then I'm going to add a bottom sheet. I got this sheet set from Amazon. I'll leave the link below if you're interested. You can go ahead and check it out. I'm also going to be adding a waffle blanket to the bed as another layer. I mean, I probably won't use it, but it makes the bed look nice and fluffy and comfortable. After adding all the pillows, I'll add another blanket. It's just a throw. Ideally, I would have put a comforter on this bed as well, but it's a little bit too much, especially since it's summertime. But I think that all of these layers make the bed look extremely comfy, and I'm looking forward to just diving right in. Alright guys, so this room turned out almost exactly as I had it in my head. There are a few things that we didn't get to do, like put up that long mirror, and we haven't purchased a rug as yet, and we're still looking for a shade for the ceiling fan. So if you know where I can find that locally, just hit me up and let me know. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content, and see you soon in our next video. Bye.